This video provides an overview of the major areas of Lextree for contract management. The pages that are visible depend on the user's role. Not all pages are visible to all roles. The visible records, like contracts, documents, and tasks, depend on the groups to which the user has access. You can use groups and roles to control what users can access and what they can do in Lextree. Dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of the contract portfolio limited by the user's permissions. The dashboard shows contracts by type, contracts expiring soon, recently updated contracts, pending alerts, and in-progress tasks. Contracts. The Contracts menu is the primary contract repository. All active contracts accessible to the logged-in user are displayed here. You can perform several functions from the Contracts page. Not all functions are available to all users based on their roles. Add a contract. To add a new contract, select the Add button. Only users with the editor role can access the Add button. Request a contract. To start a new contract request, select the Request button. Only users with the requester role can initiate a contract request. Search. To search for a contract, enter one or more terms in the search box and select Search. Lextree will search the metadata associated with the contract record and display the results. Show or hide columns. To show or hide columns, select the Columns button. Check the box with the column label you want to view. Uncheck the label to hide the column. The available columns are dynamic and depend on the table display. Filter the list. To filter the list of contracts, select the Add Filters button. The filters are flexible and powerful search parameters. The left-hand field refers to the column header. The middle field is an operator like contains or is, and the right-hand field is a text box for your search term. Using the filter with date fields opens additional options. For example, you can search for contracts expiring during the next 9 months. View. The View menu contains access to data in Lextree outside the focus on a single contract record. For example, you can view all parties to your contracts, all contract documents, all alerts, and all tasks in one place. Parties. To view a list of all parties to your contracts, navigate to View, then Parties. Select the name of the party to see detailed information about the party, including contact information and a list of all the contracts you have with that party. Documents. To view a list of all documents across your entire contract portfolio, navigate to View and then Documents. Select the search or filter to find the documents with which you want to work. Alerts. When you navigate to View, then Alerts, you will see a calendar view of all alerts. You can also access a list of all upcoming alerts by selecting the Alerts tab. Tasks. We cover tasks more in depth in another video. In View and then Tasks, you can access tasks that are in progress, completed, canceled, and assigned by the logged-in user. Archive. In View, then Archive, you can see all of the contracts which have been archived. An archived contract does not appear in the main contract repository. All alerts and tasks are stopped as well. You can restore a contract from the archive by checking the box next to its name and selecting the Restore button. Reports. Flexible reports are available under the Reports menu under two groupings, Contracts and Tasks. Contracts. There are 5 tabs for contract reports. Stats gives you a visual representation of contract information. Contracts provides details about each contract record, all the contract records. Parties lists all the parties with whom you have contracts. Documents pulls all the documents together regardless of their contract association. Requirements lists all of the requirements across the contract portfolio. Tasks. There are 2 tabs for task reports. Stats provides a visual overview of all tasks, and Tasks lists all of the tasks across the entire contract portfolio. Report features. All reports have 5 major features which make them powerful and easy to use. Number 1, search allows you to see all items which have that string of text or numbers. 2, columns shows or hides columns that you choose. 3, export sends the data in the report to a CSV, TXT, or JSON file which you can name yourself. 4, print in the upper right corner of the browser sends the report to your browser's default printing choice, where you can save as a PDF or print a paper version. 5, filter provides a structured search, as discussed earlier. The export and print features respond to the filter so you can create tailored reports. Settings. The settings menu is only available to admin users. There are 6 submenu items under settings: users and groups, lookups and fields, export, trash, records and storage, and subscription. Users and groups. There are 4 functions in the users and groups area. The users area allows you to manage individual users and their permissions. Groups is where you create your customer access controls and contract records. Task workflows allow you to design workflows available to route contract requests automatically to your users. Under recipients, you can manage the list of email addresses which you can receive email alerts from Lextree, but which do not have access to Lextree. Lookups and fields. The lookups and fields area allows you to customize Lextree for your organization. In lookups, you can customize contract types, departments, document types, entities, party types, requirement types, and tags. Changes here will automatically modify the dashboard, contracts, reports, and parties. You can also change your mind and modify any of these lookups at any time. Custom fields. Lextree allows you to add custom fields to your contract records. You can add and order them right here. Export. The export menu allows you to perform bulk exports of contracts, documents, requirements, tasks, task comments, and notes. Trash. When a user deletes a contract or other record, Lextree immediately removes it and all related records from the repository. However, Lextree preserves them for 90 days so that you can easily restore them in the event of an accidental deletion. Records and storage. If you need an update on your organization's Lextree usage, current information about your records and storage are available in Settings and then Records and Storage. Subscription. Information about your current subscription is available at Settings and then Subscription. You can also see your order history and renew your subscription with a credit card. Again, the Settings menu is only available to admin users in Lextree.